Alrighty, so today we've sort of at a point where we've finished assembling like 90% of the motor. Unfortunately, still waiting on the dry sump to show up, so thought rather than sitting around waiting, we'll try test fit the thing in the car. Just going to bolt some mounts to it and drop it in, see how it goes. So we got the engine and the gearbox dummy fitted to the car. We ran into a few expected problems, one of them being starter motor, which a couple of options. Some people like to relocate them. Gearbox tunnel, that got a really good massaging. But now it fits. We need to make a little bit more cutting room for the shifter. Location's actually pretty good, but just so we can get to all the bolts pretty nicely. But now that the engine's sitting in the car, we can start dummying up everything else, like, you know, coil packs, couch cans, overflows, you know, water pump, all these other little bits. We can start looking at where we're going to put stuff. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.